I'm standing outside a Mumbai NCB office. You can see that this is the building on the third floor of this particular building. The NCB, that is Narcotics Control Bureau office is there. Yesterday, what has happened? Yesterday, from Delhi, one team, the three-member team led by KPS Malhotra, who's the Deputy Director in NCB, he had come, and now from today onwards, they will be doing investigation of the drug links in regarding the Rhea's chat. Because if you remember that when ED had confiscated Rhea's phone and laptop as well as her iPad along with the phone and laptops of her brother Showik and Shruti Modi also, that time ED found some chats related to drugs and dealing of drugs or purchasing of drugs, and Rhea was seen, or her chat was there regarding some banned substance. So on the basis of that, ED had written a letter to NCB asking them to investigate in this matter. After going through all the chats and the documents which ED had passed on to the NCB, the Delhi NCB team had registered a case in which they have mentioned few others with Rhea Chakraborty. So now, yesterday in the afternoon, or we can say in the evening, the NCB team had come. It's a three-member team, had come to Mumbai. Till late in the evening yesterday, they were completing their paperwork regarding that. When we did try to speak with them, they didn't say anything. We did try to ask them yesterday whether they will be summoning Rhea or not, but there was no official response came. But what our sources are indicating, basically till late in the evening yesterday, NCB was preparing a list, because they got this case a day before yesterday. They registered it, so the team had got very little chance to prepare everything. So they came to Mumbai, they were preparing the list, they were going through all the papers which ED had given them. What happened yesterday also, when the team came here, one of the officials of NCB had gone to the ED office to meet the ED officials. So ED office and NCB office are in the same premises, we can say. It's just a 50-meter distance between them. Now it would be interesting to see today that what action NCB takes, whether they call Rhea, whether they call other stakeholders in this entire case, or other accused, we can say. Just now, just to give update to our viewers, that in the morning, NCB team brought 4 young boys who were hiding their face. Their faces were covered, and NCB is not exactly telling that who were they. Are they connected to the Rhea Chakraborty case, or they are for some other case they have got? But early in the morning only, I'll show you the visuals of in which vehicle they got. See, this is one of the vehicle. You can see that this silver color car, the Tata Sumo, this was one of the car in which they brought few accused. So we are yet to get the clarity that who are these 4 accused, or who are these 4 people who were covering their faces. They are quite relatively young, we can say, and NCB had brought. So it would be interesting to see whether they are connected with this particular case, or they are connected to some other case. But as NCB had got them, it means that these boys, these 4 boys, have some kind of connection with any with the case, with the drug cases, or related to the drug cases, because it was quite understood, it was quite evident that when the Delhi NCB team will come, they will not only investigate the Rhea Chakraborty or related to her, but also they will widen their scope, and they will investigate the drug cartel which is operating in Bollywood. So it would be interesting to see that what comes next, and what NCB Delhi teams, or whom NCB Delhi teams first summon for the interrogation in this drug case. Mayuresh Ganpati reporting from Mumbai for Mirror Now.